Our coverage of Computex is brought to you by eSIM and Hushed. Thanks to them, I didn't have to go there in the luggage compartment of the plane.
Welcome to EK, where we're now checking out our new direct die products. So we have here two demo systems. One is for Intel. This is a delidding running our latest Core Edition CPU block. And on the right, we also have another build with the Ryzen R9 7950X, and that's running our latest AMD Ryzen Edition direct die CPU block. It has a few novelties. The cold plate is engraved specifically for the shape of the dies. So you can see here there are raised contact patches which help you lay out the liquid metal so you don't get liquid metal over where the SMDs are. It gives it a boundary to stop. And the mounting is also quite unique in that this is screwed from behind the motherboard with a Torx T7 key. The standoff actually winds up and tensions the spring that's inside the block. And the only thing preventing overpressure on this block are the standoffs that surround those screws. So as you tighten it down and the motherboard PCB flexes, these will limit the deflection. They also stop you from applying it unevenly, so you get a nice mount on the CPU. So you can expect with the Ryzen Edition to be lowering the CPU temperature as much as 20 degrees, and with the Core Edition for the 4900KS, approximately 15 degrees.
eSIM and Hush allow you to continue using your phone completely hassle-free overseas at super competitive prices. Make sure to check out the links below for more info.